Hey there, this is Vanessa DeBurle, and today I'm going to show you how to find your pixel in Facebook Ad Manager. I went crazy looking for this. Start out on your business page, all right? And then go to that top little drop down arrow, top right hand corner, and you're going to go to your Manage Ads page, your Facebook Manage Ads. When you get here in the top left hand corner, it says Facebook ads. There's a little hamburger stack. You're going to click that. And then you're going to go under Measure and Report, Events Manager, and see right there where it says Pixels. Click that. Now, pixel is basically, the best way I can explain it is like a little sticker that is teeny tiny, and it sticks to your website or to your funnel, and it connects to Facebook. And Facebook can then track activity. It can get really complicated, but for today, we're just going to find the pixel, and then it depends if you have a website or a funnel, then it depends on where you place that pixel. But today we're just going to find the pixel. This is what pops up, create a Facebook pixel, and I'm going to go to track website activities, or I'm just going to create a pixel right there. You need to put your website URL in this spot right here, and then that is going to create a pixel that connects directly to your website. So I'm going to type in my funnel actually. So if you have a website, you want to just copy and paste the URL to the website. And if you're using a funnel, you want to copy the URL to the funnel that you're using. It works both ways. And then you select Create. You are creating a pixel. Let's say you have 3 or 4 different websites. You need a pixel for each website. So I just want to make that clear. So once you type that in, Facebook will create that pixel. And what you want to do is actually copy and paste that pixel someplace and save it and make sure you have it. So I'm going to manually install the code myself. And as you look down right here, it says copy the entire pixel code and paste it to your website header. You just click this like that. Go to the header of your website. Now, again, I'm not going to go into where to put the code. I'm just showing you how to create the code. And there it is. Now, once you create the code, like I said, you want to save it someplace and make sure you have it titled to go with your website or your funnel. And the reason that's important, especially if you're using more than one website or more than one funnel, you're going to have different pixel codes. And remember, it's just like a tracking device. It's the best way I can explain it. Lots more training on what it does, where it goes, and things like that. But that's how you find it, or that's how you create it for your website or your funnel. I hope that was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely keep providing tips like this. I am just now learning how to use ads myself. So as I learn these steps, I will definitely make a video to help you out, and you can learn on this journey with me. We'll learn together.